Hello guys, I have another interesting platform for you where you can be making some extra cash daily, and this is completely passive. If you want to know how this work, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new updates like this for you. So quickly, I won't take much of it. Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can take maximum advantage of this platform, because they have a very good ROI. Their return of investment are very high, and it's something you can quickly take advantage of. But before I go any further, I would like to make this clear to you guys that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how to make some passive income online, and these videos are strictly educational videos. So make sure you do your own research before joining any platform. Now, good, if you are ready to join this, there's a link in the description. Go down below of this video, you will see a link, then you just click. It will bring you to where you can sign up or have an account and put in your password, create everything for the first time, then you'll be having an account. So let me just show you quickly how you can deposit on this platform. So or before you go and deposit, let me still show you. Let's go and read. Yes, once you come to the application, you can go ahead, read a little bit what's happening here in the notification. Click on the notification, go ahead and read and understand what is really what they are about, their return, everything. You can see I'm just going to talk about here briefly. You can see the deposits from 500, you get about 8.3%. 500 to 5,000, get about 9%. So and so on. You just have to take your time and go through this, so you understand what is really going on the platform. So you can also join their the Telegram channel over here. You can also join Telegram channel to continue to follow up with whatever is going on. So the white paper is also there available, so take your time to go through all these things and read them. So okay, now quickly I will just show you how to deposit on this platform. You click on deposit. Now you select the minor upgrade. You click there, then you see here in this on this platform, the minimum the deposit is about 20 TRS 20 tron. You can go ahead, check it here. The minimum to deposit is about 20 tron or 1 USDT. So all you need to do is copy the address from here. Address copy, then we have to go to our wallet. I have some tron. Okay, here. The wallet. Okay. Then send. Paste it. Then okay, I'll just go with 20 and send. Continue. Okay. Okay, let's wait and see if it's going. Okay, I think it's gone now. Let's go back to our site. Okay, now you click on recharge complete. Okay, then let's wait few seconds or let's say few minutes for our 20 tron should reflect on the dashboard. Okay, or let me refresh the page and see. Okay, good. You can see over here the 20 has been added to the balance, making it 70. So now let's quickly withdraw our percentage from here. They said 8%, so let's quickly withdraw our 8% from this balance right now and see if it was going to go to our wallet. You can see now this is what I'll be able to withdraw right now to my wallet. So it's interesting, you know. Okay, so go 5.81. okay, then wallet address. I have to go back to my wallet and copy my address. Okay, receive, copy, and you go back. Okay, and I paste it here, enter my password. I'm gonna cover that, don't want you to see it. Okay, okay, now we've withdrawn 5.81 TRX. So I'll wait to see that in my wallet anytime from now. That's what I'm waiting for. Let me see. Let's go back to our wallet and see. Okay. Okay, we just got that in the wallet. You just entered. You can see it over here yourself. So you just got into the wallet. Now, sorry, let me go back. Okay, now I just got my money in my Tron in the wallet that I just how you can deposit and withdraw. Now let me quickly show you another thing you need to take advantage of, and which is the share button. That is, if you don't know how to refer, this is gonna be like a big task for you, but if you can refer, you're gonna make some extra cash with this, honestly. So you can see here whatever the returns are. You can see like about 16% for the first level, second level 3%, and the third level 1%. So it's not bad, not a bad offer. So if you can go ahead, copy your link, go to your WhatsApp or any platform you are used to, you use more often, share your link and bring in people and you get some percentage from whatever they do. So if you like what I just showed you and you want to be part of this platform, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click it and join up and start earning. It's completely passive anyway. So if you like what I showed you, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time on my channel, and click on the bell sign for more notification once I upload a new update. So guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you, ciao.